Okay, sorry.
Like nowadays in my the Diwali has celebrated everyone in my village. Everyone
Okay,
was celebrating.
okay, okay. Your village is, you said, what is
My
your village?
village,
Pardon?
my village name is Saudi.
Sorry, Sangli.
Saudi.
Saudi, Saudi. Okay, so um, is it how many crowds there, or how many people are living around? Around how many people are there?
Like 3,100 and around 19.
Okay, that's great. Great. So it is a big village, I think, rural area, but it is a crowded rural area. Am I right?
Yes, and village is also bigger. That's why we don't feel that there is a crowd.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So maybe there are a lot of facilities like school colleges, and the hospitality, and the market and all. All facilities are near in your
Not
village.
all that, like there is a school, there is an high school, but not the college, and there are small doctors for helping. And if we say about the market, like small grocery stores are available, and there is
Okay,
everything.
that's great. That's great. Okay, so it is, I would like to ask you that in your school, okay, in your school, English is just a subject, or the teacher are communicating with you in English.
In my school, the English is only a subject, and they teach in my school. They teach only as a subject. They don't teach how to speak English.
That's
They
right.
teach only the syllabus.
Okay, so are you studying in English medium, or your mother tongue language of
Marathi
your
medium. It is Marathi medium.
Marathi medium? Because I completed my study also in Marathi medium, and I know that like what after that English was also subject in my syllabus, and I had like I was very weak, or I was very poor in English. So after that, after completing my HSC, I started to learn English, and then right now I'm like I'm feeling that it is a very simple language. We have to do a practice on it. Right.
Yes, yes, you are right.
So any other thing would you like to discuss with me? So you can ask me.
Mm, okay.
Discuss. Shall we discuss anything if you want? Because I asked many questions to you. If if you have any question to ask me, so ask me. No problem.
Yes, I will ask. That is, where are you from in Mumbai?
Actually, I am living in Kalwa city. Have you heard about Kalwa, Thane?
Yes,
It is
I heard.
central part of Mumbai, Kalwa, Thane. So there is a one city. The name of that city is Kalwa.
It is. I think it is near to Thane.
Yes, you're right. It is near to middle of Thane and Mumra.
Okay.
Okay.
That means you are from the city type area.
Yes, yes. So have you ever been here in
Like I
Kalwa?
haven't visited to Mumbai yet.
Okay. No, have you ever come here? Came here in Kalwa?
No,
Okay.
I just heard the Talwa city. I don't know. Right now only I heard more information about that.
Okay. Because here is a lot of famous things in Kalwa city, and here is no. But you know that if you heard, have you heard that here is the MIDC area? There are big companies here, like Geo, head office of Geo companies here nearby my home, like just 12 kilometer far from my home, just the in a Gansoli, actually, there are many big companies, and a lot of people come to doing a job here from all over India, all over Mumbai.
Okay. Okay, that's good. And how did you get this idea to start a YouTube channel?
Um, Actually, brother, when I started to learn, okay, just I started learning this language, or I have been learning this language more than 1 year. Okay, then I felt, okay, now it is good.
Okay, so
Okay. So when I started to learn, okay, and I was a beginner. I was not communicate with anyone with the English language. Okay, in English language. But with the practice, when I felt that I can communicate with anyone, so I used to see many videos, YouTubers. Okay, and I liked that video, and I wanted to open my channel. So, but I did not have any content. Okay, but when I build my confidence, okay, in English language, so I can communicate that when I feel that I can communicate with anyone. So I thought that let's open or let's make this English as a content for my YouTube channel. Okay, and definitely this will help to beginners and other people who are learning this language. Okay, so that's the reason I got that idea and I created my YouTube channel.
okay.
So what is the reason
And
behind that you opened your YouTube channel?
there are no any purpose. Like I can say that just for learning English, just for camera, like stage dating also, and like I fear on the camera. That's why I have
Oh,
started.
that's great. That's great. So actually, it's 18. So have you enjoyed this
Yes, I
conversation?
have enjoyed it.
Okay. Okay. So subscribe. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. Shall we disconnect the call?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. It is nice conversation. So we will have a conversation again.
Okay.
Okay. Then bye. Take care. Keep learning. Keep watching and enjoy. Actually, I am also proud of you that at this age and I
Uh,
he is another one. Okay. No problem.
yes, yes.
Okay
You
then.
are misunderstanding. It happens.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So keep learning. Keep watching and enjoy the language. Okay. You have a lot of time. Okay.
Okay.
Then bye. Take care. Bye.
Okay, bye. Like we will have again
Yes. Yes.
conversation.
Definitely. Definitely.
Okay. Bye.